Yes, student, today we are doing question number 6 of exercise 7.2. So here is the question. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5, these are the four coordinates, are the vertices of a parallelogram. These coordinates are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. So let us see how it will be. First of all, we are going to draw the figure of a parallelogram. You all know how parallelogram looks. Let it be A, B, C, D. Now we have to take all the points in order. We will going to take the first point at A, second at B, and third at C, and the fourth coordinate at D. Now for finding the value of x and y, what we will going to do, we will going to draw the diagonal. We are going to join the opposite vertices. BD is the diagonal, AC is the diagonal. When we draw the diagonal, then what we are observing that they are intersecting each other at a point. Let this point be O and its coordinate be x and y. Now we have to keep in mind the property based on diagonal. The diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. I am repeating, diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. It means BD, if we take the diagonal BD, this diagonal is bisected by the diagonal AC. It means it is divided into two equal parts. If BD is divided into two equal parts, it means the point O is at the center of the BD. And when the diagonal BD divides AC in two equal parts, then it means O is at the center of AC. So we have to take the section formula for finding the value of x, and keeping in mind, let it be BD, O is at the middle. I am separating the diagonal 3 and 5 and its coordinate are x and y. Let us take the diagonal AC also separately. Here also O is at the middle, x and y. The coordinate of A 1 and 2, coordinate of C 3 and 5. Now for finding the value of x and y, we will going to use the section formula. Since both the line have the point O, it means the same point is there, and both of them have the coordinate xy. It means if here the value of x is, I'm just supposing, if here the value of x is, suppose it is 3 and 7, just suppose if it is 3 and 7, then here also it will be 3 and 7. It means in both the cases the value of x and y will be same. This point you have to understand. Now let us start. Since we will going to write the property, since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore we will going to talk about the coordinate of O. Coordinates of O on AC will be equal to, why we are saying will be equal to, because both of them have the same value, will be equal to coordinate of O on BD. Coordinate of O on BD. Now for finding the coordinate of O on AC, let us write it in the rough. We have to find the value of O, coordinate of O on AC. We have learned the section formula in which the ratio are equal. If O is at the midpoint, it means both the ratio are equal. It means 1:1. Then we will say the value of x. I am writing the rough part. The value of x will be equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. It means we have to add both the x value and divide it by 2. And y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. The same formula will be applicable for BD. So first of all, we're going to write the coordinate of O on AC. It means we will going to write directly the value of x. We have to write the value of x and y. Here also the value of x and y. Right now I am writing the coordinate x and y, coordinate x and y. Now let us put the value. For AC, the value of x will be x1 plus x2. It means here x1 is 1 and here x2 is 3. So we will going to substitute in the relation 1 plus 3 divided by 2. This is the value of x. Come to the value of y. We have to add both the value of y. 2 plus 5 divided by 2. The same way we have to find the coordinate of O on BD. First come to the value of x. We have to add both the x value. Here we have the value x. Here we have the value x. So let us change. It is 1 plus x. Here we have the value 1 plus x. 1 plus x. Equal to coordinate of O on BD. For BD, coordinate of O will be, first we are going to write the value of x, 4 plus 3. So this will be 4 plus 3 divided by 2. And for y, we have y plus 5 divided by 2. Y plus 5 divided by 2. Now, this is the value of x. Here also this is the value of x. So both of them will be equal to each other. We have to take them both equal to. This implies that 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 2. Why we are taking them equal? Because this is the same point. Lines are different. So on the different line, the value of x on both the line will be same. So that's why we are taking both of them equal. The same way, take the value of y also equal. 2 plus 5 upon 2 equal to y plus 5 upon 2. Now when you cross multiply both the two, both will be cancelled. This will give 1 plus x equal to 4 plus 3 will be equal to 4 plus 3 will be equal to 7. And here 2 plus 5 is also equal to 7 equal to y plus 5. Now transpose one to the another side. Then we will get the value of x equal to, here we will get the value of x equal to 1 will move to the subtraction 6. So the value of x we get 6. And when we take 7 on the another side, this will give y equal to 5 minus 7, that is it is equal to minus 2. So the value of y will be minus 2. So this way student we can find the value of missing coordinate in case of parallelogram. Thank you.